I am going to discuss on an important topic called presentation. In IT, every professional is need to present something, maybe on technology, maybe on no business, maybe on some values, but presentation skills is really important. So here I am not focus on how we going to present because right now I have a deck which is just prepared as a sample, and 99% I hope everyone use PowerPoint. If I'm not wrong, you can use different tool, but most useful tool is PowerPoint to give the presentation in the industry. And PowerPoint comes with a lot of different features like designer, animation. Today I'm going to specifically talk the features which the PowerPoint presentation provides to make our presentation effective, and also how we can deliver it right way. So basically I am not a good presenter, no because I am not from native English speaking. I have a different mother tongue than I learned English. Still I have a problem with, but it is similar to many people in India. We have different languages as a mother tongue, and we learn different languages based on the region where we live. So I assume how what is this Microsoft Office provides in the presentation skill? What are the different features which you can use when you create your own presentation? So I'm not going to focus on the look and feel of the presentation. That is not a goal. It's about communication, because most of the times it's very difficult that we communicate, and how it is received by others. It is very important. Like it is not always that no we can able to convince people or communicate to people. That is very difficult in my according to me. So here I have created a presentation called what is AI, and I have put some sample content, and also you can see just a diagram to see it. So let's say this is my presentation, and I'm going to give a presentation to wider audience. Assume that I'm going to give a presentation to you. Before giving a presentation, I'm going to use some of the tools which Microsoft Office provides, and going to enhance little bit on my presentation. To do that, we have to go to this presentation icon which is called slideshow. So I'm just going to click on slideshow. So here in slideshow, you can see different options provided in slideshow from Microsoft Office. So if I want to do a different screen, I can do a different screen. Like I can see, I can during my presentation, I know what is my next screen, and like I can just present all screen together. So then actually we have different skills, but main important thing which I am came here to talk about is the recording. Like Microsoft has a as a presenter or teacher who going to look at our presentation. Before going into that, there is called as comments. So we have someone who, when we talk, he can able to provide comments so that you can keep it for your future reference. You can see that I am talking and it is been recording. This feature is pretty much available in most of the no most of the chat messages also. When we talk, we can capture what is happening in the meeting. Let's come to the so this one, it's like PowerPoint live. So it gives some presentation, like people wants to join your presentation and slideshows. It's make people interactive when they actually join to your presentation. So then we say show slides, then actually it goes to the slide. So this is very good feature if you are with the audience and they are some of them not in online, they just connected in call, or you can actually engage the people with the link. So there will be a link, a very short link, like ppt.ms. In this case is ms is Microsoft, so slash some code like Kahoot. If you played Kahoot, you get a code and you get your ppt. But what impressed me really well is the training. So let me cancel this. Okay, let me cancel this mode and this live session. So I am ending this live session. It's like YouTube live or something. You just take a live session with the people. The key feature, these two of course help. The key feature is my presentation, enhance my presentation. So you can see the option here. I'm going to click it. It says welcome to PowerPoint Presenter Coach. As you rephrase, we will give you feedback about your presenting. At the end, you will see a number summary of your suggestion. So show real-time feedback. You can have a click, or you can have it will generate a report at the end. I'm going to click the real-time feedback since you guys can see what is happening. Start the rehearsing. So hi guys, I'm going to talk about what is AI technology today, or what is AI. Mm, let so it says try not to use too many filters like I just did it because how it captures. Then I go to AI stands for artificial intelligence. It refers to development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It says try to avoid. I'm just misspelling so that it tells me how to spell. If I say I don't know how to spell, it gives the refers and then also the audio button. AI systems can be programmed to learn from experience and adapt to new inputs. Now it says avoid reading from the slide. Summarize your key points. It says don't keep on reading your slide because people can read your slide. You just summarize and give the summary of the slide. So no, when I make spelling mistakes, it's also tell my spelling mistakes. Right now it is thinking that I'm giving a presentation to you which is not in the slide, but I am just explaining the feature itself. So try to speak. So now it says try to speak bit slower. That is really important because I am like a person who talks very fast. So this helps me to telling me that I have to be slow here. And it shows experience. I am mispronouncing the experience. Adapt new technologies, which is experience. Then I can now it is telling me how I have to tell experience. Maybe you guys cannot hear it, but I am just experience. So learn from my experience and adapt to new technologies. There are different types of AI, including rule-based systems. AI has potential revolutionary many industries from healthcare and finance. They use it. So then such as impact. Okay, I didn't resume the session. Such as however okay, I should avoid that. Then this diagram represents the circles connecting to the circles. Yeah, the circles connecting to circles, it called as neural network. Basically machine learning works with how neural schema works. I came to the end. Thank you guys. See you. Bye. So now actually this AI technology will give me some no, I have to go out of the slideshow. Then it gives me a report where I can see what it says. So here it will take a minute. Let me refresh it. It looks like it has broken. But you have seen how the live feedback has been working for this presentation. Let me go to the presentation quickly and I say, what is a, okay, start rehearsal. What is AI technology? Let me summarize. The AI stands for it refers tasks. Try to speak little faster. Okay, I have to speak little faster here. Over time, improve natural language. Uh, Mission learning experience users raises ethical and concern such impact deployment employment. Yeah, So here you have networks, here you have end. Thank you. Okay, this is the report I want to show you guys because previously this report didn't take. So you can see great job in rehearsing. So I'm basically rehearsing. Keep up the hard work. So I spent 52 because I did it for second time, right? So 5 slides rehearse. So I basically rehearse 5 slides. My face was like 113 words per minute. Your face is just right. Keep it up. So this is very important. And pitch. So low pitch variation will make your audience lose interest. Try increasing the tone of your key points. So my tone looks like monotone. I have to increase the tone when there is a right point. Your average face over time. So my this is the face of my language. So we can click learn more to know more about this one. And originality, you avoided reading the text, so that is good for, yeah, of course the second time I didn't read to the text much, but that says it's your originality. Pronunciation, yeah, bit good, so your pronunciation sounds clear. Inclusiveness, great job, you have inclusive language was excellent. Repetitive language, nice work, you are variety of, this is just in 52 seconds is try to give me a report. But if you rehearsal it actually for like 45 minutes 50 minutes for your presentation, at least do one rehearsal, you will get to know what you should be clear at. And this is really a good thing, because in the filters I can also see some words I have to avoid. In 52 seconds it said I put if there is any other words which I am using which need to be filtered in my presentations, then it will suggest you. Guys, I will tell you, try to use it couple of times, you will really like it, and you will be addictive that every time you have an important presentation with your managers, with your tech leads, or with your higher authorities, you will think that you have to rehearse one time, because we used to rehearse in different ways, like we see the wall and try to talk, but this will give you a report. And then in this report you can actually it will ask you can rehearse multiple time. It says okay, you rehearse again and again, and it will generate a report for you. Hope this will help you. Please try to rehearsal your presentation so that we are so confident. I think still it cannot happen in one rehearsal or one presentation. It will take long time. We might be little bit better, like 1%, 2% betterment in our presentation. I'm not good at it. I am still trying to. It will take long time, I know, but I am not giving up. I am going to try to increase my presentation skills. Thanks for watching this video in Cloud Bobby. If it is useful, please like it. Thank you so much. See you guys.